Unraveling the Meaning of Gray Day, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning channel. Today, we are going to explore the phrase, gray day, a commonly used expression in English. Whether you're a beginner or an intermediate learner, understanding such phrases is crucial for enhancing your language skills and cultural knowledge. So, let's dive in and unravel the meaning together. Firstly, let's break down the phrase into two parts, gray and day. Gray. This is a color that is a mix between black and white. It is often associated with cloudy or overcast weather, and metaphorically, it can represent something that is dull, gloomy, or lacks excitement. Day. This word simply refers to a 24-hour period, but in the context of this phrase, it means a particular day in terms of the weather or someone's mood. When combined, a gray day can refer to a day that is cloudy and lacking sunlight, but it can also describe a day that feels gloomy or dull for a person, irrespective of the weather. Now that we have understood the components, let's see how to use gray day in sentences. Weather context: I forgot my umbrella, and now I am completely soaked from this gray day. Mood context: even though the sun was shining, it was a gray day for Maria after she received the bad news. Notice how the phrase can describe both the weather and a person's state of mind. Understanding similar expressions can help deepen your grasp of the English language. Here are a couple of phrases that convey a similar meaning. Gloomy day. This can refer to both weather and mood, much like gray day. Dreary day. This phrase also captures the essence of a dull, bleak, or depressing day. Thank you all for joining us today to explore the meaning of gray day. We hope this video has shed light on how this phrase can be used to describe both weather and emotions, enriching your English vocabulary and comprehension. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using gray day in your own sentences to fully grasp its meaning. Until next time, happy learning and stay curious.